In this video, I'll demonstrate how to integrate a Cerego set activity or an activity from Cerego Adaptive Learning in a course in Moodle 4. As you know, Moodle 4 requires the integration of LTI 1.3 between Cerego and Moodle. That, however, needs to be done by the Moodle system administrator only once for the site. The point of this video is to demonstrate how we can link one of the Cerego activities in your course via LTI 1.3. So the integration has been done at the site level. We are here in the course and we want to add the Cerego set activity. The first thing we need to do in Moodle 4, in our case it's Moodle 4.4 here, we click on More and then click on LTI External Tools. We need to specify that in this course we are going to utilize Cerego LTI 1.3. So we just need to toggle this option to on. Now the name here on the left, this depends on what the system administrator has configured in your system. That's all we have to do at this point. Under the More section, we go back to the course and then add the activity next. And of course, in order to add any activities, we need to be in edit mode, and we toggle edit mode on the top right. Now scroll on the course page and then select add an activity and select Cerego LTI 1.3. Then click on select content. From here, we need to click on add an assignment, and it's going to display the various assignments that we have currently used so far. If it is a course that you have not utilized in the past, you have to search here for the code or the Cerego set name, and to find out the name of the set, you'll have to most likely go to the Cerego platform and look at the courses in there. And then from here, let's say I want SPA 231. And then click on the sets that we want. Typically, you want to select all of them. So you select all of them because it's going to make it easier. When you add the next set, it's going to show up. You don't have to search for the course again. Then click on Add to my course, and then select whether this will be just a copy of this assignment or whether this will mirror the changes. We click here on Add to my course. I'm going to choose Mirror Settings. So you click on the set that you want to link as part of this activity and give it a different name if you'd prefer. You can put more details. Then you can specify the grade, how many points this will be associated with. Let's say 100 points, and then press save and return to the course. It will display like this. We can turn edit mode off, and then you or the students can click on it and it'll connect with Cerego platform, and the students will be able to complete the assignment. Then the grades will trickle down back to Moodle or e-learning once the students complete that learning set. So that's how the integration works for a Cerego learning set using LTI 1.3 in Moodle 4.